Okay, you know it. People make judgments. We all do. We make judgments when we don't have all the information. Like, how many times have you made a judgment when you walk into a room and you look at the people there and you pass judgments based on how they're dressed or what their body language is, right? Would you walk up to somebody like this? No, of course not, right? This is a closed off expression. How many times have you made judgments when you've received an email from somebody, maybe from a client, maybe from a parent, and you didn't appreciate the tone of their email and you made judgments based on that? Right? How many times have you made judgments when you've been in a restaurant or a store and you've watched how other people have interacted with the employees there and you made a judgment about their character? Right? It's human nature. So, what I want to make sure you do is make sure that you put your best personal brand forward at all times. Right? So, pay attention to your correspondence. No matter how rushed you are, no matter how stressed you are, remember the pleases, remember the thank yous. Oh, yeah. And if a recruiter says, reach out to me with any questions, like, do it once. Don't say, and another thing, and another thing. Oh, I forgot to ask you. Put all your thoughts together. Send that one email that's well written. Okay. Pay attention to your LinkedIn profile. That is your professional networking platform. So pay attention to your photo, right? Employers will look at the photo, and the LinkedIn photo is the number one thing that they're looking at on your LinkedIn profile. So make sure it's professional. Put on the blazer, looks really fantastic. But even if you can't put on the blazer, get out of the car. Don't have on the hoodie. Don't have on your sunglasses on the top of your head. Be out of the kitchen, your bathroom. Yes. And certainly if you're looking to make a pivot out of teaching, don't be in your classroom. You don't want to subconsciously have somebody see you in the place you're trying to leave. You want them to see you in the place that you're going, not the place that you're coming from, right? So remember all of those things in your branding. Pay attention to the effort that you're putting into your resume besides the content, but also the template, the structure. Make sure that things are neat, that they're clean, that they're error-free. This is your branding, right? This is what you bring to the table every day. Make sure that at the end of an interview, you are being gracious, that you are thanking people. Make sure that you're sending that thank you email afterward. Everything that you're doing is demonstrating a reflection of who you are, right? Like, hey, if you work with me, this is what I am, right? This is what I am at all times. And I want you to understand that, because your brand is not the kind of thing you could just turn on and off for that hour when you're on an interview. Your brand is really who you are every moment of every day. It's how you make people feel about you. It's whether you're on time or whether you always keep people waiting for you, right? It's how you dress. It's how you speak. So pay attention to your branding. It's going to be tremendously impactful in moving you along, not just in the interview process, but in how people perceive you, the recommendations and the connections people are going to be willing to give to you, and in your life. Okay? I'm going to queue up a video right here all about your LinkedIn photo so that you'll be able to have some more tips about how to make a great LinkedIn photo. And if you found this super helpful, let's talk about working together. Let's schedule your free 45-minute discovery call to talk about how I can help you to be successful in your job search. I hope you have a super productive week. Always remember you're a warrior. I'll catch you next week. Have a good one. Bye-bye.